Hey, it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 refreshing drink ideas for the summer, for any day of the week where you feel like it's very hot and you just want to sit outside and enjoy the heat, but you want to have your body cool. Let me show you what you need in order to achieve these beautiful, refreshing drinks. For the first recipe, you will need strawberry, lime and mint leaves, powdered sugar, ice, and soda water. Add your strawberries, your lime, mint, sugar, mash this, not all the way, you just want a mixture, like a really nice paste together. Make sure not to mash your mint too much because that might give you bitter taste. Get your cup, add the mixture into your cup, into your glass, add some ice, For the second recipe, you will need some ice. If you're using frozen fruits, you don't need ice. I'm using fresh fruits: mango, watermelon, and milk. So in your blender, you're gonna add all your watermelon. I already washed my mango, so I'm gonna cut half of my mango. Just a little bit because you're going to add some milk, and of course your milk. Time to blend. Now we're gonna take it a top notch and we're gonna make it a little bit more interesting. We're gonna make this one really creamy and rich and smooth and just beautiful. So for the third option, you will need milk, yogurt. I usually use plain yogurt, but since I have some yogurt with vanilla, I'm gonna use this. You can use regular yogurt, plain yogurt with no vanilla. Obviously your mango, and this is gonna be our secret ingredient. We're gonna add some condensed milk. First, we're gonna put our mango. Next, we're gonna add our yogurt. Next, we're adding our milk. Time to blend.